Hello, good morning. 10th standard CBSC pattern mathematics algebra. We have to study today polynomial. Very easy chapter. Standard ninth we have studied polynomial and as well quadratic equation x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Then we factorize and then we will get the value of x, the polynomial. For example, if px is the polynomial, 0 of the polynomial are those value of which make the polynomial 0. We know we must have the equation px is equal to x square minus 5x plus c is equal to 0 plus 6 is equal to 0. We know the factors, we know the umbrella like this, plus minus 5 and plus 6, here it should be plus 6, minus 5, minus 3 and minus 2. 2 3s are 6, but we have studied already minus 3 plus minus 2, we get minus 5. Here is the minus 5. Okay. And minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 is equal to plus 6. Here is the plus 6. Okay. That is why we studied all this. Okay. Then we x square minus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. The factor will get x minus 3 and x minus 2. Why? 2 3s are 6, minus 3 and minus 2 plus minus 5 and minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 will get plus 6. That is why these are factorized. Then we solve by solving x value. X will be 3 or x will be 2, though the 0 or roots. This is the polynomial 0. Getting point? Okay. Second, relation between 0 coefficient of a quadratic polynomial px is equal to x square plus bx plus c if a is equal to not 0. Can I clean this? Okay. Yes. We know the coefficient 5x square minus 3x is equal to 0. What is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x will be minus 3. What is the coefficient of x square? The coefficient of x square will be 5. This is the coefficient. Okay. सहगुणक, त्याला काय म्हणतात? सहगुणक, कोइफिशियंट. आता मग ते काय सॉल्व करायचं आपण? काय रिलेशन आहे? रिलेशन बिटवीन 0 and coefficients of quadratic polynomial. आता quadratic polynomial काय आहे? x square plus bx plus c. This is quadratic polynomial. Okay. Then this value a will not is equal to 0. a ची व्हॅल्यू 0 नको आहे, 0 नको आहे. मग आता काय करावं लागेल आपल्याला? द लेट अल्फा आणि बीटा घ्यावे लागतील. काय घ्यावे लागतील? अल्फा अँड बीटा. बरोबर की नाही? आर द 0, अल्फा अँड बीटा आर दी 0 polynomial. All the 0 polynomial, alpha and beta. These alpha and beta are the 0 polynomial. आणि मग आता त्याचं इक्वेशन आहे, त्याचा फॉर्म्युला आहे, पुस्तकातही गाईडमध्ये सर्व ठिकाणी, आणि परीक्षेला हे 1 मार्कासाठी आहे, वार्षिक परीक्षेसाठी. मग आता या ठिकाणी काय फॉर्म्युला? अल्फा प्लस बीटाचा मायनस बी अपॉन ए alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. हा पहिला फॉर्म्युला आहे. व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी अपॉन ए and alpha dot beta is equal to c upon e. Most important, alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. This is the c. This is the coefficient. B is the coefficient of x. X square, a is the coefficient. Okay. So alpha plus beta is equal to b upon minus b upon a. Whether it may be positive, maybe if here is negative, then the value of positive. Here is negative, then the value of negative. Okay. These two formulas are very important. Then how we can write the x square plus bx plus c is equal to s polynomial. Then px is equal to x square, this x square minus, here is the minus alpha plus beta plus into x. This is the coefficient of x. This is x. Alpha into beta plus alpha into beta. C is there, plus alpha into beta. C upon a. And here is minus b upon a. This is the most important. This is the coefficient minus alpha minus beta if you are solving this. Okay, this formula. By this formula we can write this polynomial as this. The relation between the zero coefficient of a quadratic polynomial px is equal to x square plus bx plus c. If a is not equal to 0, these two values are important. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha dot beta is equal to c upon a. Okay, can I clean this? Okay. Now second example, rather than very little bit difficult, obtain the zero of the polynomial. Obtain the zero of the polynomial. You know the root 3 into root 3. The value of root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. You know the root 5 square is equal to 5. We have studied at 9th standard. Okay. We know the x square minus 2x plus 3 and divided by x plus 1. If we have divided by this, we get the value remainder, up to remainder. Okay. We have studied at 8th standard, 9th standard, very revised. So many times we have studied, we have solved this equation. So it is very easy at the 10th standard CBSC pattern. Okay. Then equation, the polynomial, and we have to verify like this. This is the third equation. Which equation? Root 3x square, coefficient of x, minus 8x plus 4 root 3, and we have to verify the relation between x. Okay, find the value of x. How? This is as a quadratic equation. Minus 8 plus 4 root 3. Then we root 3 into root 3, 3 we get, and there should be minus 8. So 6 to the here should be 12. 3 root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3, and 3 fours are 12. Okay, this is the very simple. The multiplication should be 12 and the addition should be minus 8. These two numbers are there. Which these two numbers like this? Minus 8 should be there, and plus 12. Here minus 6 and minus 2. Minus 8, and minus 6 multiplied by minus 2 is equal to 12. This is the answer. Now we solving by this, we get which? Root 3x square minus, we divide by this, which integer? Minus 6x minus 2x plus 4 root 3 minus 6 minus 2 minus 8. Okay, therefore we get this root 3x here should be common. Okay, then x minus 2 root 3, here should be x minus 2 root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 2s are 6x. Okay, 3 root 3 into x into it, 3x square, like this. Okay, then here it should be common, minus 2, and the first bracket is here. Definite first bracket, x minus 2 root 3 here. Okay, then is equal to 0. Okay, is equal to 0. Then we have to minus 2 is the common, x minus 2 root 3, x minus 2 root 3 is the also common. There should be two roots. Then first root is x minus or root 3 x minus 2. This is root 3 x minus 2, and second is this x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Okay, then we got which two? We got this root 3x minus 2 and x minus 2 root 3. Then we will get the value x is equal to 2 by x is equal to, here x is equal to 2 upon root 3. Here x is equal to 2 upon root 3, or x is equal to 2 root 3. X is equal to 2 root 3. X is equal to 2 root 3. We know 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 upon root 3. X minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 root 3. These are the polynomial. We have obtained the 0 of the polynomial, and we will verify alpha, beta. Okay. Thank you. Study.